Hello po. Kasama ko si... Sino ba to? Sino ba tong kasama ko? Ano pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? What is your name? What is your name?
Up to 10 gigabytes.
No. What is your name?
You can go ahead and do it up to for the different.
Yuna. I'm glad to meet you, Yuna. Let's go. Let's go. Ay, ano ba nilalago natin?
This is actually the 50 gigabytes.
Secret, syempre.
Available for your
De, ano ba talaga nilalago natin?
correct.
Yung body pala to eh. Body. Let's go. Body. Body. Tara. I-boost kita. Ay, boost mo ako. Dali, boost. Putik na yan. Ang layo. Ulit. Tara, ulit tayo. Boosh. She's not going to see me.
I'm actually checking if there's the 10 gigabytes.
Bitaw. Lap. Yon. Oh, ikaw naman. Saan ka na? Tagal. Taga na. Dito na tayo, dali. Kailangan ko magmadali. May lakad pa ako. Yun naman, nakasuit ako. Dito ang daan ko. Please. Please. Galing. Gagaling.
Okay. So for the 10 gigabytes of
Ay, tinagod lang ako.
$95.88. That's already for
Wait.
the year.
Wait lang.
Right now,
Ay, ibuboost ba kita? Sorry naman. Lapit dito. Yay! Galing ah. Ay, thank you po. Di po ba tayo Ba't ganun? Bakit?
before tax.
Bakit? Tara. Ay, asan na? Bakit? Ano yun? Tara na, matagal ang video, tara na. Diyos mio.
Or I can go ahead and ask in PayPal if you will be doing for the new email address. I can check if the promotional offer that we have is still available, which is for 2 years. That's already good for 2 years
Let's go.
$70.96 each.
Hindi pa natin natatapos to. Kailangan natin maka-reach yung 100 meter.
That is correct. That's already good for 2 years.
Let's go.
That is correct, sir. If that's like a promotional offer, that will be,
Kailangan natin ma-reach ang 100 meter. Saan ka na? Tagal naman. You're so tagal. Oy, bawal yan. Makaka-copyright tayo.
Well, I'll go ahead and do actually the approval. I can go ahead and make that for you right now.
Oy, grabe. Lapit ka. Lapit na malapit. Yun. Ano ba yan?
Well, I can go ahead and give you a call back if you're going to be doing that today.
Let's go. Ulit lang na ulit. Ulit lang na ulit. Bilis. Let's go. Hanggang sa 100 meter. Meter?
Oh, no, it's only $167.96. Yes.
Let's
That's
go.
already for 2 years for the 2 email.
Kung Panda.
For the 2 email address.
Aha, swerte. Let's go.
No, sir. That's already good for
Bilis.
2 email client, the 2 email address.
Oy, susme.
150.
Anong ginagawa mo? Okay. Doon na po nagtatapos ang lahat. Sige, boost mo ko.
That's for
Boost.
email
Boost.
address.
Boost.
For
Yeah,
email.
bam.
So
Bye-bye.
Okay, here's the thing. One email address is $78.96.
Bye-bye.
That's already good for 2 years. So multiply it by 2.
Dito tayo.
User.
Halika dito. Dito tayo.
Yes, sir. That is correct.
Bye-bye.